There should be.
Well, we can buy one.
We did buy one, didn't we?
Yeah.
That has never happened before, but it has to happen now while she's on my lap. And I'm sure it's leaking underneath too. Yes, it is. Onto my lovely pants. Day in the life. Okay. Now how am I going to burp you? I have dookie on my shirt. No, you're okay. Just eat. Oh. Jeez Louise. I hope I brought enough wipes. I have to give you a bath. But they close at 2. What time is it? Come on, child. You gotta cool this thing down. Oh, it's 1. So we got time. I'm glad that didn't happen. She was in the bed last night. Jeez. I have to buy a new mattress. Did you hear that? Well, I guess you're getting enough milk from me. My goodness. I think she's trying to poop again. I have to take those socks off for sure. Okay, there you go. You're almost done. You're having so much trouble. I don't know why. Who's a fussy baby? Who's a fussy baby? No, no, no. Oh. Shoot. The diaper diary.